So yeah, as per the title really, if anyone knows the answer to that question, yeah, just fire it down in the comments below, because I've got no idea what I'm doing. And then you got this key scratch here. All the way to there. This door's fine. It's quite nasty. You can see a little bit of rust starting there. It's gone down. It's gone really far down. So yeah, I mean, this is dented slightly where it's been grazed. You can see it. So we'll always see something there. Yeah, so no matter how good this is, it's always going to sort of show up a little bit. But you know, just the main thing is so that it just blends in a little bit better. A little bit of wet and dry, 800 grit in something small, a small block, so we can just focus on the area, because we don't want any sharp edges. I'm just going to stay on the scratch. Yes, it'll be a nice smooth surface. But obviously 800 grit is enough for paint to stick to, so it's not exactly sanded smooth. Too smooth for the paint to stick. And that's just getting down to metal there through primer. Dash of solvent. And we can use this solvent shortly to see if our scratches are just in the clear coat or not. There's a little trick that you can do to see if this will make the scratches disappear. So you could see there what disappeared and what didn't. So obviously here it's deeper, here it's just through the clear coat. Scratches in the clear coat, they look white because it's reflecting the light. Your colour's still under there, it's not white underneath, it's still the colour of the car, but the clear layer, the clear coat over the top has got the scratch in it, and because of the V shape of the scratch, the light actually reflects inside there and it bounces off like one side to the other or something like that. I don't know, it's a bit, I don't understand it fully, but it's just the light hitting it a certain way that makes it look white. That's why when you put something, you put a fluid over it, you can see that it's just colour. So that's how you know. So yeah, I smell human shit somewhere around here. It's not good at all. Probably coming from that mattress. It stinks. And it's not mine as well. I know a lot of you believe that it is mine. And even old school window cleaners the other day, they did a video where they're convinced that that is my mattress, but it's definitely not. I'll put a link to his channel down in the description. Really great if you like those satisfying cleaning videos, the before and the after, the jet washing, the slow motion, the time-lapse stuff. Yeah, really good videos. Could probably do with him here, to be honest, because this place is disgusting. Yeah, so go check him out. Anyway, and then here we've got some clear coat for later. So yeah, I'm going to read the instructions because, and it's pictures as well, which is really handy for someone like me. What's that mean? Don't shake it. Weird. If that's the only way of applicating it, a huge thing. I was hoping for the little brush nail polish thing like it is on the clear coat, but we've got like a pretty big head. Actually for this it's probably going to be just fine, but yeah, we'll see. On the smaller scratches I don't think it's going to be as good as it is going to be a huge overlap there, but let's see anyway. It's actually a much finer brush. I could have admittedly sanded less into the area, because this is much finer than I thought. I thought I was going to go over more, but it's really actually not that bad. It's really quite nice to use. Excuse me mate, I'm trying to film here. So yeah, not exactly a professional job. Sorry about the road noise, by the way. So yeah, I was just lazy. Like, this is my house. Yeah, I thought instead of driving to the workshop, which is about half an hour away with traffic, I'll just do it here. Probably should have shown you guys where I live. I don't want any crazy fans turning up to the house, banging on the door. If you do that, I'm going to do a Justin Bieber and spit on you from the top floor down. Anyway, so yeah, not exactly a professional job, but from a distance it's better, it's good enough. You know, before it was really stood out, you know, you could really see it as soon as you looked at the car. It was what you saw, and we took off a lot of clear coat, which isn't good for the base coat. But to be honest, this panel would have needed to be resprayed anyway to do this job properly, so which it will be at some point. But the whole car needs respraying. I mean, the roof is just. So anyway, so I'm going to call it there, just because it's so noisy here. Yeah, but anyway, thanks for watching.